In this part, we will start creating this by select shapes, line, then I will select the top of the shape, then going by pressing shift to going ortho, then I release shift and continue drawing like this. In front, I will select rectangle, then I select this part. I will draw this part. After that, I will increase the corner radius to make it some fillet like this. I will select this one and sweep then I use custom section, pick and select this one. I need to revolve this, so I can select this path and make X form, so I can select the gizmo and rotate this gizmo 90 degree. It's okay. After this process, I will move this here from front like this. It's okay. From front, from left, and from back. It's okay. I will hide this, right click hide, then I will select line to draw this part. The first part here, when I draw, I have two things when I draw any line. If you I have initial type and drag type. If I select initial type corner and drag type bezier, when I click one click by mouse, I will drag click to initial type. When I click and press to the mouse and move, the drag type will show. So if I can draw this easily by click shift, click shift, shift, then here click and drag to make it bezier, and click, click, click. Okay, this vertex I will select one from keyboard to select vertex and make fillet like this, and I can adjust this vertex like this. I can draw another one here, another part. I can backspace to undo, then I will make lines like this. Okay, I can select this one to adjust. I can make fillet from here to there. It's okay. We can move this little bit. It's okay. After that, I can make an extrusion for 2 parts here. Extrude and hide all. Okay. We can adjust it in the middle. So this one I can click to realize or make unique. Then I can move to make 2 parts similar. After that, I can select all two parts and make Alt Q. Then I can select one of them to put edit poly and select all edges and Alt remove the edges in the middle of the shape and make chamfer to chamfer this and put some segments to make it more smooth. Okay. Then I select another one. I've made the same thing. Edit poly. Select all edges. Control A and Alt. Deselect the middle and then chamfer this. We can remove this smooth. Okay. In this part, we continue making 2 of these. Can select color to gray and these colors to red and this one to red.